Dear children, welcome to Molecular Genetics episode 10. வணக்கங்களுடன் உங்களை வரவேற்பது உங்கள் PM. In this episode, we are going to see the properties of a genetic material with a comparative view between DNA and RNA. The properties required for a good genetic material are: number 1, self-replication. Number 2, stability. 3, information storage. And number 4, variation through mutation. These are the properties required for a good genetic material. Self-replication, what is that? The genetic material should be able to self-replicate. தன்னைத்தானே பிரதி எடுத்துக்கொள்ளும் தன்மையை பெற்றிருக்க வேண்டும். DNA and RNA, the nucleic acid, have the ability to direct duplications. They do that in accordance with the base pairing and complementary rules. But proteins do not replicate or duplicate themselves. They cannot. Number 2, stability. The genetic material should be stable structurally and chemically. அமைப்பு ரீதியாகவும் வேதியியல் ரீதியாகவும் ஒரு மரபு பொருளானது நிலைப்புத்தன்மை கொண்டதாக இருக்க வேண்டும். It should be stable enough not to change with the different stages of life cycle, age, or with the change in physiology of the organism. உயிரினத்தின் வாழ்க்கை சுழலோ வயதோ அல்லது உடற்செயலியல் மாற்றங்களோ அந்த மரபு பொருளில் எவ்வித மாற்றங்களையும் ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடாது. மரபு பொருள் நிலையானதாக இருக்க வேண்டும். Can you give an evidence for the stability of DNA as a genetic material as far you have studied? You can. The evidence for the stability of the genetic material comes from the Griffith's transforming principle. It is an evidence for the stability of genetic material. Heat killed bacteria. The bacteria was killed by heat, but the heat did not destroy the properties of the genetic material. Griffithin சோதனையில் வெப்பப்படுத்துதல் மூலமாக பாக்டீரியா சாகடிக்கப்பட்டது. ஆனால் பாக்டீரியாவின் மரபு பொருளான DNA சாகடிக்கப்படவில்லை. அதாவது it has not changed. It's stable. It remained stable. Right. Then the stability of DNA compared with RNA. The two strands of DNA are complementary to each other. Because of that, if the strands are separated by heating, that is called denaturation, they can come together again by renaturation. பிரிந்தாலும் மீண்டும் ஒட்டிக்கொள்ளும் in accordance with the base pairing rule. Then the stability of DNA compared with RNA, the second point is the 2' carbon hydroxyl group is present in each nucleotide of the ribonucleic acid. It's a reactive group. It makes the RNA reactive and easily degradable. Moreover, RNA is catalytic in nature and reactive. வினைபுரியும் தன்மை உடையது, வினையூக்கியாக செயல்படும் தன்மை உடையது. இந்த தன்மையை அதற்கு வழங்குவது இரண்டாவது கார்பனில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இந்த ஹைட்ராக்சில் தொகுதி. Then, compared to RNA, DNA is more stable and less reactive. The presence of thymine, it confers additional stability to DNA. Thymine இருப்பது டிஎன்ஏவுக்கு கூடுதல் நிலைப்புத்தன்மையை வழங்குகிறது. Regarding information storage, the genetic material should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. The mode of expression compared with the DNA and RNA, DNA depends on RNA for protein synthesis, but RNA can directly code for protein synthesis. RNA can express the characters through protein synthesis. DNA is more stable and stores the genetic information, but RNA is less stable. It only transfers the genetic information. DNA stores, RNA transfers the genetic information. Okay. Then variation through mutation. The genetic material should be able to mutate to bring about changes. Both DNA and RNA are able to mutate. But RNA, being unstable, it mutates at a faster rate. So the viruses having RNA genome with a shorter lifespan can mutate and evolve faster. For example, இப்போ நம்மளை பயமுறுத்திட்டு இருக்கிற கொரோனா வைரஸ். Both DNA and RNA can function as genetic material, but DNA is more stable. So it is preferred for the storage of genetic information. So the summary is: properties of a genetic material: self-replication. The genetic material should be able to replicate itself. Stability: should be stable structurally and chemically. The genetic material should be stable enough not to change with the different stages of life cycle or age or change in the physiology of the organism. Number 3, information storage. The genetic material should be able to express itself in the form of Mendelian characters. And number 4, variation through mutation. The genetic material should be able to mutate, and this property is very much essential for evolution, because variations are the raw materials of evolution. Right. With this, let us conclude this episode, and in the next episode we will study about the packaging of DNA helix.